This video we're going to talk about how I went from 66 kg back down to 46 kg and how I went back up.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the...
This is the beginning. When I decided to start my weight gain journey, I was weighing a total of 48 kg. My hips were 37, my bust was 33, and I was quite a slim person. So I started. And then along the line, after all the vitamin, I discovered that I could make herbal products. And I started making that, and I started taking that instead of vitamin. And that was when I decided to start my brand. I started my brand because I started seeing changes from taking my product, and I know that I needed to do something that every other girl out there and every other man, anybody looking to change their lives could get to their goals. And fast track, I was gaining and I had gained up to 66 kg as at this time. I was so big and I had never been this big before. It actually made me, quite slow because I had to learn everything. I even had to learn how to walk as a thick girl because I had never been this big before. So when I started taking my products, I noticed that it was effective and I started selling out. You guys need to understand that when it comes to natural weight gain, it takes time. It doesn't happen like magic. I was almost not sure if I wanted to keep going naturally, but I did, and I got so big and I was so happy with my results until something happened. I got diagnosed with an abscess in my right hand. An abscess is a fat deposit that grows in your body, and I lost a lot of weight. I wasn't eating right anymore. I was worried because I had to do a surgery for it. So I was declining and I lost a lot of weight. As at August 31st, I had lost a total of almost 20 kg. For somebody that has been trying to gain weight, losing even a kg messes with your mental health. So you can imagine how drained I was mentally, physically, and how tired I felt. I always used to cry. I would barely eat. But then I had to keep going. So I got some, raw materials and I started making my products again. I knew I had to make these products before the surgery because I know I had to start gaining weight again and get myself together. So I was at it once again and I got myself together. I started eating. I was trying to eat as much as possible because I know that I had a long way to go. 46 kg was very, very small. It was almost as if I had become malnourished. So I had to eat. I started eating again. I started getting recipes. I went back to making my recipes. That's why I have all of that on my channel. And I just love the journey now because it wasn't as difficult as it was the first time, because now I have something that helps me, which is my product and my supplements and some of the secrets that I learned about weight gain along the line. And I'm so excited that I get to share these things with you as a community and as a family, because that's what Body by K is. Body by K is a community of people, of both male and female people that are trying to get to their body goals and are trying to lead a healthy life and do it in the right and natural way. I always talk about my products with so much confidence because I take them. So when I tell people that my products work, it's not just because I'm saying it, it's because I have also been at a point where I didn't have any weight and I use my products and I eat right and I actually gain weight. Then I had to go get the surgery. The surgery was done and I was still on the weight gain thing because now I had been taking my product for over 3 weeks. So you could tell that it's not just about me. Body by K is not just about me. It's not just about you. It's about us as a community. The weight gain people that don't get heard. The weight gain people that don't get spoken about. We don't have so much on the internet that pertains to us. It's always been weight loss, weight loss. There are no weight gain courses. There are no weight gain live sessions. Nobody really highlights these things and we are affected by it. And the thing is, we all have specific needs when it comes to gaining weight. Everybody has specific areas they want to gain weight in, and that's what my brand is about. That when you do it naturally and you get your results, you're going to want to stick to something that has no side effects. Body by K is not me. Body by K is a vision. It's a vision of tomorrow. It's a vision of 5 years from now. It's a vision of getting as many people as possible to be able to join the bandwagon, attaining their body goals in the natural way. Anybody can take this product, both male and female, and we're going to be specifying in the next batch and separating male from female products, and we're going to be trying to highlight every specific need. This is something that is going to cost us a hand and a leg, but it doesn't matter because it's the vision that counts for me. It's not just about the profit margin, it's about you as the individual. I have created a membership up on my YouTube channel. You could check the membership plans and see if you want to get into them. I want to take this a step further, and I'm going to be creating a weight gain course as well. I'm currently working on that so that we will be able, and anybody will be able to get to their goals. Gaining weight is possible, guys. I've done it once, I've done it twice, and now I know that I can do it for as many times as possible. And that's all we are about. In Body by K, we are about the organic goodness. We are about serving you and making sure that it counts.